Everyone wants to belong, to be accepted. I was born with the name Barbara Jean Mashiki. I didn't get to keep that name because I was adopted. I grew up knowing I was part Native American, but many years later I learned that I am half. My life was good, I had a great family, but I wanted to know more of my genealogy. Modern technology makes the research possible, and I learned there is a Durant roll, a census for Native people, and I could find the Mashiki name and guess what family I came from. I found that name in Michigan records, but the Michigan adoption records are sealed. But I was able to find my family and my tribe. I found a lady that could be my mother and found her death record. Also found her brother's death notice, and on the bottom of the death notice it said special services were provided by the Little Traverse Bay Bands of Odawa. Now I knew what tribe I came from, and I called the tribal office and asked to put a notice in the paper and asked for family to contact me. I learned that the tribe could open the sealed records. Yay! Many years later, I traveled to Petoskey, Michigan, on my way to the first powwow, and on the bus is a lady whose name is Mashiki, and I learned that she and I could possibly be sisters. Finally, I'm home. Faith, family, and country are so important. In closing, I thank my Creator for putting my feet on this path.